Today I invite you to embark on a fascinating journey through the heart of northeastern Spain, an ancient city whose history spans over 2 millennia, whose streets echo with stories of conquest and coexistence, and whose vibrant culture continues to captivate both locals and visitors alike. We're exploring Zaragoza, a city that seamlessly blends the past and present, revealing layers of civilization beneath its lively surface. Let's begin with its origins. Zaragoza, known in Latin as Caesar Augusta, was founded around 14 BC by the Roman Emperor Augustus. Its strategic position along the Ebro River made it a vital hub for trade, military campaigns, and cultural exchange. The city's Roman roots are still visible today, from ancient arches and aqueducts to the remnants of its once imposing walls. Imagine walking through streets where Roman legions once marched, and traders bartered goods from across the empire. This city was truly a bridge between worlds. Moving forward in time, Zaragoza experienced numerous transformations. After the fall of the Roman Empire, it came under Visigothic control, then later became a prominent city within the Islamic caliphates during the Moorish period. The city's diverse history is reflected in its architecture, language, and traditions. In the 12th century, Zaragoza became part of the Crown of Aragon, playing a crucial role in medieval Spain's political and economic landscape. Its importance grew as it became a center for commerce, cultural exchange, and political power. One of the city's most iconic landmarks is La Seu Cathedral, a masterpiece of architectural styles that span from the Romanesque to the Baroque. Built over several centuries, the cathedral's facade displays intricate sculptures and detailed carvings, while its interior houses stunning stained glass windows and a treasury filled with religious artifacts. Standing inside La Seu, you can feel the weight of history and spirituality that has enveloped the city for centuries. Adjacent to the cathedral is the Basilica del Pilar, perhaps Zaragoza's most famous symbol. This grand Baroque basilica is perched on the banks of the Ebro River and is considered one of the most important pilgrimage sites in Spain. According to legend, the Virgin Mary appeared to the Apostle James here in the 1st century, a miracle that sparked devotion and led to the construction of the basilica. Climbing to the top of its towers offers panoramic views of the city and the river, an experience that combines spiritual reflection with breathtaking scenery. Zaragoza's history isn't only about religious architecture. The city boasts impressive fortifications, such as the Aljaferia Palace, a fortress that dates back to the 11th century. Originally built by the Moors, it later served as the royal palace for the Crown of Aragon. The palace's Islamic-influenced design, with ornate arches, courtyards, and intricate tile work, offers a glimpse into the city's multicultural past. Today, the Aljaferia is home to the regional parliament and stands as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, drawing visitors eager to admire its historical grandeur. Beyond its historical sites, Zaragoza has been a hub for innovation and modern culture. The city's vibrant festivals, like the Fiestas del Pilar held every October, showcase its lively spirit. During this celebration, the streets come alive with music, dance, parades, and the iconic display of thousands of colorful flowers. The festival honors the Virgin of the Pilar and embodies the community's devotion and joy, an event that unites residents and visitors in a shared sense of pride. Zaragoza also boasts a thriving arts scene. The IAACC Pablo Serrano Modern Art Museum hosts works by contemporary artists, while the Goya Museum celebrates the life and masterpieces of Francisco Goya, one of Spain's most celebrated painters born nearby. Goya's influence is evident throughout the city, with murals, exhibitions, and cultural programs that keep his legacy alive. Speaking of Goya, his early years in Zaragoza shaped much of his artistic development. The city's tumultuous history and vibrant culture are reflected in his works, which often depict the struggles of humanity, social injustice, and the chaos of war. Walking through Zaragoza, one can feel a connection to this artistic heritage, an inspiration that continues to influence artists and creatives today. In terms of modern-day Zaragoza, it's a city that balances its rich history with technological advancement and sustainable development. Its economy benefits from sectors like logistics, manufacturing, and renewable energy. The city is also known for its excellent university, which attracts students from around the world and fosters innovation and research. The university campus is a blend of historic buildings and contemporary facilities, symbolizing Zaragoza's commitment to education and progress. The city's strategic location has made it a key transportation hub in Spain. Its extensive rail network connects Zaragoza to Madrid, Barcelona, Valencia, and beyond. The Zaragoza airport provides both domestic and international flights, making it accessible for travelers eager to explore its treasures. The city's infrastructure supports a high quality of life, with parks, shopping districts, and vibrant neighborhoods that reflect its welcoming spirit. Zaragoza's culinary scene is another highlight. Traditional dishes like ternasco, roast lamb, migas, fried bread crumbs, and tapas in lively taverns showcase the region's flavors. Local wines and regional desserts add to the gastronomic richness. Food festivals and markets allow visitors to taste authentic Zaragoza and connect with its local traditions. Environmental sustainability is also a focus for Zaragoza's future. Initiatives to develop green spaces, improve public transportation, and promote renewable energy demonstrate its forward-thinking approach. The city aims to become a model of ecological responsibility while preserving its historical and cultural identity. To conclude, Zaragoza is much more than a city on the map. It's a living testament to resilience, diversity, and creativity. From its ancient Roman foundations to its modern innovations, Zaragoza continues to evolve while honoring its storied past. Its architecture, festivals, arts, and community spirit make it a captivating destination that leaves a lasting impression on all who visit. Whether you're drawn to its sacred sites, enchanted by its history, or inspired by its vibrant culture, Zaragoza offers a unique experience that connects the ancient with the contemporary. It's a city that invites curiosity, celebrates tradition, and embraces the future with open arms. As you reflect on its many layers, I hope you feel inspired to discover this remarkable city yourself, an enduring jewel of Spain that captivates the soul and ignites the imagination.